Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. Kitchen lighting ideas for interior design play a pivotal role in reshaping the atmosphere and functionality of this essential living space. One popular trend is the use of layered lighting, which combines various fixtures like pendant lights, recessed lighting, and under cabinet lights to create a well balanced and versatile illumination. This approach ensures that different areas within the kitchen, such as the prep area, dining space, and ambient lighting, can be individually controlled to suit the task or mood. Another emerging trend is the integration of smart lighting solution. These systems allow homeowners to adjust the color, temperature, and brightness of the lifestyle using small or using voice commands, adding both convenience and a modern touch to the kitchen. Sustainability and energy efficiency are become more critical, and LED lighting has gained prominence for its long lifespan and reduced energy consumption. These eco-friendly options align with the growing trend of environmentally conscious design. In addition to functionality, aesthetics are not to be overlooked. Stylish like fixtures, whether in the form of statement candlelights or sleek minimalist designs, can become focal points and add character to the kitchen. Moreover, the choice of warm or cool light tones can significantly impact the mood of the space. Warm light creates a cozy and inviting atmosphere, while cool light is more energizing and sustainable for task areas. Kitchen lighting ideas for interior design encompass a wide range of possibilities that balance practicality, sustainability, and aesthetics, ultimately enhancing the functionality and visual appeal of the central area within the home. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Design channel.